Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. As you all know that One UI Beta 6 for Android 14 version and for our Z Fold 4 it has been released. So this particular video I'll be covering the major changes that I have seen and let's go one by one. And first of all, you can see that the quick setting panel is being completely changed up. Most of the people doesn't like this quick setting panel. I have already reviewed the S23 Ultra wherein this particular quick setting panel, but most of the comment says that they didn't like this new quick setting panel, which is very ugly looking, I would say. But yeah, this is the newest quick setting panel that Samsung has introduced, and we'll have to use it at least for a next year until they go for One UI 7 and make sure that this particularly ugly panel has been changed. And this is a pure copy of Huawei phones. I don't know why they are going this way. Second thing, you can see that the let me show you. First of all, let me less the volume, and now you can see that I am running the song, and just see the animation on particular this seek bar on this particular song. So you can see that the seek bar has been changed, and this looks quite dope in this particular way. So yeah, on the quick setting panel itself, you can see the seek bar and the animation on that. So this is looking good. Let's move on to the next feature. Okay, so next feature is taskbar. About taskbar app, I'll show you that this taskbar can now be used on any of the home screen you like any of the home app you like. So let me change this. I am changing my home app from One UI home launcher to the action launcher, and now you can see the taskbar doesn't comes in the home screen as normal, but as I go into the settings, you can see that this taskbar is now visible. So yeah, you can get this done. If you want a taskbar in all the apps and with the other launchers, you can use that. But there's a problem in this. What you need to do is, first of all, you have to edit into the taskbar. You have to switch it on from here while being in the default home app. I'll show you how to do that. Just go into the default home app. If you want to use another taskbar, just go to the default home app and change it to the One UI home. Once that has been done, just go into the settings again, taskbar, and switch it on from here, taskbar. Once this is done, again go to the default app and change your taskbar change your home screen app, whichever you want, and it will be working. But make sure that you switch off the switch for automatically. Let me show you. You have to switch off this option so that it doesn't disappear, because once it gets disappear, it won't be appearing again and you will have to do this again. So you have to disable this particular button, show and hide while touch and hold. So if you do this, you will have the taskbar in the third party app like Google launcher, any launcher you want to. So that's a good thing right now. Another thing, you can see the dynamic weather widget, which is currently available for this particular piece. So yeah, you can use this dynamic weather app if you want to see that person is walking, the clouds are moving. Yeah, it's look good. But yeah, Samsung is into most of the user element design. They are trying to change it out, so this is good. Another thing is the animations, and seriously, these animation are good, but not up to the mark with the other Android major manufacturers, or you can say even iOS is great in this animations and all. So this is the thing, and most of the thing has not been changed. I am again working on this particular version. I'll say that it is good, refined one, but not the major upgrade as we had from One UI 5 to 6 or something like that, or say One UI 2 to One UI 4. The upgrade were more than visual changes. Now currently, I'll say just they are just a visual changes, and the major upgradation they have done is this particular quick setting panel, and that too is an ugly panel. So yeah guys, this is this particular video, and I hope you have subscribed to my channel so that you can not so you don't miss any of my videos and you get the latest news as early as possible for the Indian versions. So guys, thank you, take care.